First is EVS worksheet. And first question is read and learn. So first we read some type of houses in given. Okay. So first is castle. Castle is a set of buildings where royalty lives, or a large and impressive house. That means this is also known as places. Okay, old place. ठीक है, king and queen, king and queen houses. So we known as castle or places. Next is lighthouse. A lighthouse marks the entrance to the harbor. Okay, next is farmhouse. Next is farmhouse. A farmhouse is a kind of property in an agriculture setting which is used for residential purpose. Okay, what is farmhouse? Farmhouse is a kind of property is an agriculture settings which is used for residential purpose. Okay. Next is write the house name as written below. Okay. Rewrite the name of houses. First is castle. Second is lighthouse. Third is farmhouse. Okay. Next is some interesting things. Do you know facts? Do you know? Hong Kong is crowded city and homes are very expensive. Okay, in the Hong Kong city, house is very expensive and very many people live there. Crowded city. Okay. Next is write write the missing letters. Okay. In this first picture is, which picture is this? Heart. H-U-T. Heart. And we also known as Kacha house. Okay. Next is igloo. And spelling of heart is H-U-T. Heart. Next is, which picture is this? Igloo. And igloo is also known as ice house. Ice house. Okay. And spelling of igloo is I-G-L-O-O-S. Igloos. Okay. Next picture is tent house. Okay. Next picture is tent house. This is not permanent house. This is temporary house. And spelling of tent is T-E-N-T. Tent. Okay. Next is, which type of house this? This is type of multi-stories, expensive houses we known as villas, bungalow, pakka house. Okay. And spelling of bungalow is B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Bungalow. Next, choose the correct house name. So first picture is castle or tent. So first is castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. Next is igloo. Next is, so correct answer is igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Next is igloo oblique hut. This is kacha house and known as hut. H-U-T. hut. Next is Bangalore. Okay. Next is guess who am I? What has two hands and a face but no arms and no legs? This is clock. This is clock. Okay, and spelling of clock is CLOCKS. Clock. In clock, two hands, no arms. Is draw a clock for the following time. First is 7 p.m. Okay. So we draw clock and small arm of the clock is on 7 and big arm of the big hand of the clock is 12. So time is 7 p.m. Okay. Next is 4 p.m. So we draw the circle and write down the numbers and small needle or small hand of the clock come on 4 and big hand of the clock on 12. So time is 4 p.m. Next is 5 p.m. That means small hand of the clock on 5 and big hand of the clock on 12. So that means 5 p.m. Next is 6 p.m. In the for 6 p.m. for 6 p.m. we draw the clock and small hand of the clock on 6 and big hand of the clock on 12 p.m. Okay, 12. So time is 6 p.m. Next is don't touch the sheet. Next is escape. Count by 2 backward counting. Okay. So in this question we write down backward counting with escape number 2 and backward counting is reverse counting. Okay. So first we see 0, 2, then we skip 2 numbers, that means 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so this row is complete. Next is 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, so we skip 2 numbers and complete the row. Next is pick the correct ones ascending order. So first, what is ascending order? Small to big. Okay, in ascending order, we write down counting in small to big orders. Okay, so take the correct ones. Ascending order. First is 243. Now they know. Don't touch the sheet. So take the correct ones, ascending orders. First is 241, 241, 139, 461. This is correct ascending order. No, this is wrong because 139 is the smallest number. Next is 139, 243 and 461. This is correct or not? This is correct. Okay. Because in this order, firstly we write down small, then big, then biggest number. Okay. Next is 243, 461, 139. This is also wrong. So second row is correct answer. 139, 243 and 461. Okay. Next is arrange the number in descending order. So first of all, what is descending order? In the descending order, we write down numbers in big to small order. Okay. So first we write down big number and last we write down small. So firstly we find out biggest number in this row. So 325 is biggest number. So we write down 325, then 300, that means 325. Next is 250, next 200, next 170, next 114 and 38. Okay, this is descending order. Next row is, firstly we find out biggest number in this row. So 225 is 250 is biggest number. So we write down 250, then 100, 123, 105, 100, 15 and 30. This is descending order. Next is 290 is biggest number. So firstly we write down 290, then 150, then 120, 25, 20 and 10. Okay, so this is descending order is completed. Next is in last row 120 is biggest number. So firstly we write down 120, then 80, then 60, then 40, 15 and 10. Okay. So this is complete. And next question is, send an audio about any 10 number name from 100 to 115. Everyone send audio number name of any 10, 100 to between 100 to 150. So firstly everyone learn number name or spelling of 100 to 150. Then send. Okay. Next skip counts by 5 and 10. So in this first row, we skip 5 numbers. Okay. 5, after 5, 10. We skip 5 numbers, 15 and 20. Okay. Next is 70, 80, 90, 100. In this row, we skip 10 numbers. Okay. 55, 60, 65, 70. We skip 5 numbers. Next, 100, 110, 120, 130. Next is activity. Make any 5 shapes by using chart paper and color it. So everyone do activity in your homework. We'll again cut the chart paper, 5 shapes with the using chart paper and color it. Okay. Next is learn table of 5. Everyone learn table of 5. Okay. Next worksheet is English worksheet. Write 5 sentences on the picture given below. So, what is this? Which animal is this? This is tiger. And we write down 5 sentences on this. So, tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. The tiger is a national animal of India. The tiger is a national animal of India. Tiger is a very powerful animal. They have they have orange skin with beautiful black vertical strips on it. Okay, tiger is very powerful animal. Next is they have orange strips with beautiful black vertical strips on it. Tiger is a carnivorous animal. Tiger is a species of cat.